Good morning everyone. This is standard 7 video number 2. In this video we are going to read about the small intestine. As you are seeing in the picture, this is the small intestine. Okay, it is a coiled tube just beneath the stomach, and different parts of the small intestine have different names. But before that, our small intestine is 6 to 7 meter long. That is, the length of the small intestine is 6 to 7 meter, and diameter of the small intestine, okay, that is 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter diameter. Now, the name of the part of the intestine is the part next to stomach. Okay, this part next to stomach is duodenum. Okay, and next to the duodenum, it is called jejunum. It is not, name is not given in the book. Okay, this part is called jejunum. After jejunum, the last lower part is called ileum. Now, here the chyme is passed to the stomach into duodenum. In the duodenum, food is mixed with the pancreatic juice secreted by the pancreas, okay, which is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. Okay, it secretes a pancreatic juice and releases into the intestine. The pancreatic juice acts into the carbohydrate and protein and change them into simpler form. Okay, like carbohydrate are broken down into simple sugar, proteins are broken down into peptides. Okay, now fats are broken down into fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, proteins are into amino acids. Okay, now the small intestine serve both for the digestion and absorption also. Now we have not seen the liver. Just liver is the reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. Okay, and it is the largest gland in the body. It secretes a bile juice which is stored in the sac called gallbladder, located near the sac, that is called gallbladder. Bile juice helps in the digestion of fat, and fat are present in the big droplets in the food, because of which they cannot be digested. So it should be broken down into small droplets and make their digestion and absorption easier. Now, as you know that complete digestion takes place in the small intestine. From the duodenum, the food is passed into the ileum through the jejunum. The digestion of food complete in small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine is covered with a million of tiny projection called villi. Okay, these are the small villi which is present in the intestine. This, you can see this diagram of villi. Okay, these small villi are there which is present in the, this is surface view, how it look like in a surface, and this is internal structure. Okay, the process of absorption occurs in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine has millions of finger-like projection or folds are called villi. Each villi has a network of thin capillaries, and that blood vessel move from that capillaries. These villi gives the inner wall of the small intestine a very big, large surface area for the absorption of digested food. The surface of the villi absorb the digested food materials and passes them to the fine blood capillaries, and absorbed food is carried to all cells of the body by blood. The food is utilized by the cells to release energy.